Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. I'm here with my sister Hannah, and we are going to the store for the day, so I thought I would take you folks along and do a day in my life vlog. Hannah and I decided to go down the shore.
Roundabout, take the second exit onto Route 34 South.
Hannah and I decided to go to Point Pleasant today. We're going to relax on the beach, and then we're going to a graduation party later on in the day. So I thought it would be great to film a day in my life for you folks. So follow along. Hannah, you want to say anything to the vlog? Okay. We made it to Point Pleasant. How do you feel, Han?
Great.
Yeah, we're going to get some breakfast. We're going to stop at IHOP because we're kind of obsessed with it. We went earlier in the summer. If you look a couple vlogs ago, we went to IHOP. We got some pancakes, French toast, and it was delicious. So we're going to go back.
1.8 miles.
And
Turn
we're
right
excited
onto
because we're
Bridge
very
Avenue.
hungry. And I got strawberry banana pancakes, and Hannah got chocolate. Thank you. We just left IHOP. Hannah, how did you feel about it?
It was really good.
Did you like your pancakes?
Yes.
Hannah and I just went to Starbucks. I got a grande iced vanilla latte, so I'm really excited about this. Hannah doesn't drink coffee. I do not know why. I just need that caffeine because we woke up really early this morning to get to the beach, so very happy about this. Now we are headed to Point Pleasant, and we're going to sit on the beach and relax, so let's go. and I are off to our friend's graduation party, so we're very excited. Are you excited, Hannah?
Yep.